Hey everyone, Bill Constain here, Freedom Wealth TV, and welcome to our next episode. We're excited you're here. If you're here for the first time, if you like what you're hearing, like, positive comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for future videos. We're going to be talking about financial freedom. We're going to be talking about gold. We're going to be talking about strategies and tips, cryptocurrencies. And let's see what J.P. Morgan has to say. Featured here on Freedom Wealth TV on Facebook. Gold is money. Everything else is credit. That's from J.P. Morgan, by the way. J.P. Morgan Chase. You guys familiar with that bank? Banks all around the world. 1912. What's interesting is that's the year before the IRS was created, 1913, when the tax system in the U.S. And J.P. Morgan, with this quote, I thought was epic. All right. So with that said, we have an article from Forbes magazine regarding some of the blockchains that are coming out, that have come out in 2019. And one of them, I think you'll be excited to see, is one that we are partnered with. Before we move into that, I want to show you gold, right? So since gold is money and everything else is just credit, gold, he who has gold will always have money. So here's some of the gold that we sell in 1 gram, 2.5 gram, 5 gram increments. You can buy as much or as little as you want. And then, of course, we have crypto backed by gold, which you're going to learn about as well. I'm just going to take you through this quickly, and then I'm going to take you through the Forbes article. Gold, a brief look back in history. The precious metal with the very special color was already captivating our ancestors 6,000 years ago. So well before J.P. Morgan came out with this quote in 1912, 6,000 years ago. Gold embellished the sovereigns of the time as well as their buildings, and gold was the preferred material for crafting religious items. Therefore, it is among the first metals for mankind to ever extract, handle, and even worship. Well, just for the record, we do not worship gold, right? We only worship our Heavenly Father. We don't worship gold. We appreciate it. We save it as a way to be able to preserve our purchasing power and create wealth and preserve wealth for our family, but we definitely do not worship it, just for the record. In 600 BC, gold eventually established itself as a stable means of payment in the form of coinage as we recognize it today. It has lost none of its preciousness since, on the contrary, its rarity and durability, as well as its physical and chemical qualities and the resulting various possibilities, make gold an essential material in many ways, even in the millennium. So gold facts and figures, it continues to go on. Assessment, I'm just going to read a little bit more here. I'm going to get into this article from 2007, indicate that the human race would have extracted around 170,000 tons of gold over the last 6,000 years. At first sounds like a lot, however, equates purely on a mathematical basis to a cube of pure gold with an edge length of just 20.65 meters. A large percentage of this gold is converted, jewelry, art, so forth. 18% is located in the vaults of central banks and other monetary institutes. So this is great information. More fundamentally, at the rate of extraction, it will only be possible to mine gold profitably for just under 20 years. This clearly demonstrates in the future gold will become an even rarer and more sought after material and investment. I think that's really critical here. More fundamentally, at the current rate of extraction, it will only be possible to mine gold profitably for just under 20 years. The scarcity, right? So I believe that gold prices have been forced down, and I think you're going to see it move up dramatically. So if you're like me, you're going to want to stack some gold. You also have a unique opportunity to stack some crypto backed by gold. If you were in that offering, the KBC coin, Karat Bank coin, in 2018, many people made over 1,000% on their money in a cryptocurrency market that just flat out was abominable. This was the big winner, and I believe based on that result and what's happening, you're going to see much more exposure, many more gains. We have a new offering. I'll have a link in the description for all of you to explore, to open up a free account. That is the CEO of KaratBars, Dr. Harold Seitz. and he's getting it done. So anyway, let's get to the article here and move this right along. 10 blockchains, according to Forbes magazine, companies to watch in 2019. Going to go through this here. Earlier this month, okay, and this article was just May 31st, 2019, 4:47 p.m. This video is being done June 1st in the morning, so this is kind of hot off the presses, guys. Earlier this month, arguably the biggest blockchain week in the world kicked off in New York City and CoinDesk Consensus event. A previous interview that covered blockchain technology led to a deeper look at the technologies, founders, and companies that are emerging in the industry. All right, so this list showcased 10 companies working to make blockchain more accessible, prominent, and mainstream. Some you may have heard of, others are new to the scene. Okay, so you have Biki, let's see here, headquartered in Singapore, leading digital asset exchange focused on the global market, accumulated 1.1 million registered users, etc. All right, so it's Biki. Advanced Blockchain was started by a German crypto pioneer, Robert Kufner. And again, this is not financial advice, just a disclaimer here, just giving you what Forbes magazine put out here yesterday. Yada Chain, built by leading scientists. Yada Chain is a public blockchain, okay? 2018, Yada Chain was a top 20 finalists at the Founder World Championship in Silicon Valley. Interesting. Hero Token, based in Barcelona, is the continued mission from the success story of Porn Hero founder David Margenadorf, together with a solid team of technology experts. Okay, BitConk, with a global development team, former Google, IBM, Huawei, and GE engineers using proof of reputation. 100,000 transactions per second. Company recently partnered with Crypto Labs. So you have a lot of interesting projects here. You have Breach, was founded in one goal in mind: to ensure digital assets backed by PJC, the leading early-stage venture capital firm based in Boston. Nearly $1 billion of cryptocurrency stolen in 2018. That's why a lot of people are very cautious in this market. It is kind of the wild, wild west. A lot of speculation, a lot of upside potential, but risk reward, right? So again, you got to do your own homework, got to do your own research. That's why we love gold and we love crypto backed by gold, because what's more solid in the financial industry than the $7 trillion plus gold industry? So, which leads us to number 7, Karat Gold, based in Germany. Again, this is Forbes.com. KaratBars International, GmbH, is the parent company of Karat Gold Coin and a robust gold-based ecosystem of cross-border blockchain solutions. Their latest product, the IM Pulse K1 smartphone, which I've featured in a previous video, is the first phone using voice over blockchain protocol. Okay, the acronym is VOPB, right, which stands for Voice over Blockchain Protocol. Currently, Karat Gold allows consumers to trade or purchase gold on more than 500,000 acceptance points worldwide. With all the recent talk about Bitcoin versus gold, listen to this. This company provides the best of both worlds. Okay, so Karat Gold, KaratBars. So link in the description. And if you want to participate in the next offering, we have a 100% bonus when you buy certain packages to get additional coins. And you can get that phone, that privacy phone, that is just amazing. And if you think the smartphone business is not a big business, check out that last video. You're going to see Apple and Samsung, 2 of the biggest companies in the world, and 2 of their biggest products are smartphones. So Karat Gold, you have a cryptocurrency backed by physical gold, and that's 7. Well, just so we can see the top 10 here. And this is, I don't know if this is not in any particular order. You have BIS, Lightlink, and MetaHash. And again, the feature here is Karat Gold, Forbes magazine. So there you have it. Okay, so I want to keep the video real short. There's information, Forbes top 10. Yes, KaratBars made the list out of all of the cryptos that are out there, Karat Gold, and out of all of those names on the list, only one of them is backed by gold. And if you would like to participate, I'm going to put a link in the description. I'm going to give you a link that's going to give you some more video information and just a link that you can go and open up an account. You can reach out to me directly. I want to encourage you, when we hit 7,000 subscribers, we're going to be giving out some free coins. So if you haven't subscribed already, be part of the mission to get us to 7,000. Everyone counts. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video forward. We're going to be giving out free crypto backed by gold freely on the exchange, and you'll have an opportunity to participate in the next offering. Okay? So my friends, have a fantastic day. God bless you and your family, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.